In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to log an off-schedule client report form. You will log an off-schedule client report form for walk-ins that come in when there is no available appointments. So all you need to do is, let's say that it's at 3 o'clock, Ella is busy, you have a walk-in that comes in, and you need to log them in the system. All you have to do is first make sure they're registered, have them fill out the walk-in form, and then after the consultation, you'll go up here to the welcome bar. You'll go to the little piece of paper which says enter an off-schedule client report form, and you'll go ahead and pull down the person's name. So maybe it's Kayla Octon. All right, so you met with Kayla on August 30th at 3 o'clock. So you put in 3 o'clock or whatever time she came in. So maybe it was 3:10 that she came in. And then you'll go to 3:45 and then pull down your name from the menu. And then you'll fill out this client report form just like you would anything else. So let's say it's the first essay for Alexander. It was, you worked on organization and spelling in the essay. You'll probably have a lot more information in there. Other comments you don't need to, unless of course you were co-consulting, then you would probably want to put in co-consulting with, let's say, Mark Fountain, if that's who you were co-consulting. And then you would want to send it to the professor. So in this case it would be Steve Anderson, or Alexander, right? So you just put their email in there, and we'll just put mine in there so I don't send Dr. Alexander a random email. And go ahead and save that report. Close the window. Now your off-schedule client report for your walk-in has been saved. All you need to do now is take that form that that student filled out and put it in the box that is on the bottom shelf of the shelves where the guidebooks are, which is across on the back wall. So it's pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know.